crankshaft, which is connected to a propeller or other device that can be used to generate electricity or drive other machinery. So it has 8 cylinders for heating and 8 cylinders for cooling. The heating cylinders are where the butane fuel is burned to produce heat, and the cooling cylinders are in charge of getting rid of the extra heat that the engine makes. The result is a mesmerizing display of motion and energy that is both beautiful and educational. This engine has a graceful and unique design with 16 cylinders that demonstrate real forward-thinking physics and engineering.